In this video, we'll evaluate the function f of x equals 4 over the quantity 2 minus x. And we'll evaluate that at a few different values. So first, let's evaluate f of 4. And what that means is we're going to plug in 4 wherever we see x in the original function. So let's do that. We have f of 4 equals 4 over 2 minus 4, because x is right there. And so we have 4 over 2 minus 4, so 4 over negative 2. So f of 4 equals negative 2. Simplifying that. Let's try another one. How about f of 4 plus h? Okay, that one, there's a little bit more going on, but it's really not that difficult. You just have to take it a couple of extra steps in the simplification. All right, so we're going to say 4 over 2 minus, and then we're going to plug in something for x. What we're going to plug in is this 4 plus h. So we'll just put that in, 4 plus h. Now, that process was exactly the same as what we did over here, but we just have more to simplify here. So we'll do that. We'll say that's 4 over 2 minus 4 minus h. So that is f of 4 plus h equals 4 over, well, 2 minus 4 is negative 2, and then minus h. So negative 2 minus h. So that's our simplified version of f of 4 plus h. We could do one step more, and that's just looks just a little different, where we have something like f of 4 plus f of h. So that is definitely different than this one, the f of 4 plus h. f of 4 plus f of h is quite a bit different. So what we have is two separate things to simplify. So 4 over 2 minus 4. That's this part. We've just plugged in the 4 for x. And then I'm going to switch colors here to say plus the 4 over 2 minus h. That's this part. Okay, so it's just two separate things to simplify. So we can do that, and I'll go to all one color here. So we know that 4 over 2 minus 4 is negative 2. We did that up here. And then 4 over 2 minus h, that cannot be simplified, so we'll just leave it as 4 over 2 minus h. Now you could, if you wanted to, you could choose to find a common denominator and write that all as one fraction. But this is a correct answer. This is evaluated correctly. I hope that helps.